up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone XS Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until you see your phone completely turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers, so let's get it. Continue to hold. Let go. And there you guys go. Your phone has been force resetted.